money has developed into a much more straightforward environment. In today's world, you can easily make money by staying at home and using your phone. Some folks may be well on their way with this setup, while others may still be getting their bearings and looking for the best plan. This is gonna be a big day for you because I'm gonna teach you the most up-to-date money-making strategy that I learned that can give you as much as $750 every day in today's video. Now, you might be wondering what the catch is with a plan like this. The truth is that there isn't one, and this strategy was created just for your benefit. It is, first and foremost, free. That's right, you won't have to pay anything out of pocket, so you're covered. Second, it is open to all people on the planet. Third, you'll only need your smartphone and an internet connection, so there's no need to invest in expensive equipment because you can use whatever gadget you have. Finally, regardless of technical ability or prior experience, everyone in the world can use this method, making it ideal for newcomers like you who are just getting started in the money-making business. All you have to do is watch this video from beginning to end and try not to skip any parts so you won't get confused. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, the very first website that I want you to visit is called digistore24.com. You probably have an idea of what this website is all about since this is quite popular, and I think you already saw this website on one of my videos right here on my channel. However, while we may be using a familiar website, the entire process is brand new and everything is still fresh from the oven. Now, if you're new to my channel and don't know what Digistore24 is, it's an online sales platform that includes an integrated web store, an affiliate network, all standard payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. To summarize, this is where you'll promote some great Digistore products to people you know. This will then allow you to make large amounts of money in no time by doing something simple and short like a walk in the park, I guarantee. Anyway, you have complete freedom to navigate through this entire page. Everything is so detailed and transparent that you should feel free to explore around and feed your own curiosity. Everything is right here. If you think you have all of the information you need, you can go on to the next step right away. I want you to go to the marketplace by clicking here in the upper right-hand corner of the page. You'll be redirected after clicking that, where you can navigate around the site and browse through hundreds, if not thousands of things you can promote online. They even have a variety of categories where you can freely choose the product that you want to promote, as you can see right here. They offer products for animals and pets, vetting systems, business and investing, and so much more that I haven't even reached half of the list. So rest assured that this platform has a ton of potential. With that said, there's no limit to how much money you can make because you can promote as many items as you like. If you have a lot of spare time, there's no reason why you shouldn't give it your all and dedicate a lot more time and effort to promoting 2 or more products. This way, you can make significantly more money, maybe even reaching up to $1,000 or more. It all depends on how you play the entire thing, so be sure to level your expectations with your workload. Anyway, let's take a peek around the marketplace. By default, the products in the marketplace are sorted by sales rank in US dollars. This means that the first page of this document has all of the top items that you're free to promote. Take a look at this first one, which is called Medicore, $150 for sale, 85% comms. But what does that imply? More information about the product can be found right here. Comms stands for commission, and 85% comms means that you can make a commission of a whopping 85% of the price that you're selling the product for. This is a big deal since most affiliate products only cater to around 50% or even less worth of commission income to its workers, but with Medicore, you can almost get the full amount. Furthermore, the average earnings that you can get in promoting this product is placed at a high amount of around $158, which is absolutely crazy, so consider yourself lucky that you're even watching this video right now. With that in mind, let's not limit ourselves to one box and instead explore the page to find more products. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is the second product in line. You can earn a big commission income of 85% for the price of the original product, just like Medicore. The average earnings you can get with this product is roughly $41. By the way, you can learn more about the product by looking at the statistics details, which include the price, cart visitor, and vendor. You can also see when the product was posted, which marked the start of the sale, and the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan was posted about 2 years ago. Not only that, but the billing type, sales rank, card conversion, and cancellation rate can all be checked. It's critical to review these stats right now so you know what to expect as you dedicate your efforts to promoting this product. You can't just blindly pursue doing work without knowing the risks and benefits, and it's better to find products according to what you want so you can attain your goals, and in turn everything will all be worth it in the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now that we're done with all of that, at this point your job is to create and drive traffic in order to reach as many people as you can in terms of promoting your product. You can start inviting the people in your personal life such as family, friends, workmates, or anyone you know. But in order to reach maximum potential and earn the highest amount possible, you're gonna need all the help you can get. So let's try promoting our products to strangers on the internet. Let's visit this website called Quora.com. This website is actually quite popular because it's the world's biggest platform for online discussions of threads. On this website, you can find millions of topics, queries, and conversations about certain topics posted by millions of people all over the planet. You can find just about anything on Quora, so it's the ideal place for you to share your knowledge on the product you chose on the G-Store 24. Let's say you picked the first product with the highest sales rank, which is Medicore. Medicore is a product designed for people who want to lose weight and improve their health. Now that's going to be your target for today, so go to Quora and use the search bar to search for topics on losing weight. Once you do that, you can see tons of results related to your search keywords, and from there, simply find a question that sparks your interest and then click on that. After doing so, your job now is to share the good news about the product that you just discovered. Tell them all about its benefits on losing weight quickly, and at the end of your post, make sure to attach your affiliate link because that will lead them to the G-Store 24 to then purchase the product. Just a little tip, make sure to construct your response in such a way that you sound like you really want to help people with their problems. When you do that, people will think you're trustworthy and they will be more inclined to click on your link. With just a few clicks, some scrolling, and a little bit of typing, you can make money fast and easy just like snapping your fingers, and not just a small amount, but a whopping $698 every single day. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.